For South Allegheny students, something just clicked. It was the 2022 Eradicate Hate Summit, and they had just viewed Patrice O'Neill's Repairing the World. They began to connect the dots between the film's coverage of the tragic shooting at the Tree of Life Synagogue in Squirrel Hill and events in their own lives.
Everyone of all races came together and supported and helped, and it grew to be a very big thing.
There was an interview with one of the survivors, and she started crying. And then I looked behind me, and she was sitting right behind me. And I was just like, oh my God, like, this is real life.
As they processed what they had just watched, spoke with survivors of the shooting, and talked with each other, the students began to realize that, in their own way, they had to do something to push back against bigotry, discrimination, and prejudice. A desire was ignited to celebrate theirs and their friends' cultures. And so, the Eradicate Hate Club was born.
I remember specifically, our students being very passionate immediately because they saw themselves somewhere along the line in that film.
We came back actually to this space right after the viewing, and it was probably one of the most impactful 90 minutes I've had in my career in education. There's tears shed in here.
Within weeks after the Eradicate Hate Summit, the newly formed club began efforts to bring a greater understanding of different cultures and people. Students soon organized a community viewing of Repairing the World so that families and residents could experience the film's impact firsthand.
So many of us were so passionate that we realized we need to have a group. And there's so many things that we all learned from this film, and we realized we need to do something more to educate more people in the school.
The efforts have paid off. The Eradicate Hate Club sponsored the district's first ever Hispanic Heritage Celebration, just weeks after seeing Repairing the World.
I've obviously been Hispanic all my life. It was nice being able to celebrate it, and I felt seen by peers and my classmates.
More events followed. Women's History Month, Black History Month, a gender and sexualities safe space, numerous civil rights study trips, and more. Interest in the club grew, and it is now seeking additional ways to expand its efforts to other school districts and communities throughout the region.
We had a lot of turn up after Hispanic Heritage Month that so many people got involved in Black History Month and Women's History Month, and they didn't even know that we had this group at the school. So we suddenly got people wanting to be involved, and we hope to expand next year.
As the school year unfolds, South Allegheny's Eradicate Hate Club is sure to have an impact as students continue to connect the dots and show up for all of their neighbors.
Being kind is not a hard thing to do. That's not an investment. That's just what we do.
Every little thing matters. Everything we do, every little thing, just spreading love to everyone.